The final thing to cover is how to switch between monitors and different functionality. So our center monitor has our CAD page. If I click on this monitor to the right, it's going to change my orientation view, and the default will load to our MDT page, which is being displayed in the front of the room for the participants to be able to see when they've been assigned and when they're en route and when they've arrived on the incident. To click back to the CAD page, I just mouse over to this monitor, left click on it, it's going to switch me back. And then this left monitor, again, I click on that, and it defaults to Google Maps. So you can use whatever you need to in Google Maps. You can search around, change things if you do need a map. And again, just to switch back, you click on the monitor that you want and click back and forth. If something should go wrong and you need to refresh the page, just click refresh. This is a browser-based CAD system. So if something seems to be not working right for you, just click the refresh button and it'll reload and start all over from scratch.